All right, removing the graphite residue that's left over from, when you're replacing the heads on LS1, LS6, or any of those like older LS kind of cars. The graphite material really sticks on there, really hard to get off. But you gotta be real careful because it's aluminum block, aluminum head, so you don't want to gouge or anything like that. A lot of people like using the plastic razor blade. Works pretty good, but it just doesn't quite get in there how I like. So I like using a normal razor blade. Keeping it as flat as possible is kind of the key there. Now this one's already been done, so just with the razor blade, and so you kind of just go around the whole area, and you just got to take your time about getting every little area, and it'll kind of like peel off like you're slicing cheese a little bit, and it'll all kind of come off, but you still see all this that's still on there. All that still needs to come off. To do the final stage, I like to use mineral spirits, which people sometimes want to use like lacquer thinner or anything like that, and then using a very light grit Scotch-Brite pad. This is like really flexible, really light, so that way it doesn't alter the surface at all, just kind of helps clean everything off. So now we just kind of get in here. I put on the Scotch-Brite pad, and then we kind of just rub it on there, and it'll start kind of dissolving that away. There always will be a little bit of like a stain mark that's left, but it will definitely clean it up to where you need it to be. So that's just a little area right there, and you can see how much it's cleaned it up. It got rid of all this kind of coloring here from the graphite. So all the way around, and then it's ready to go. It still has a good factory surface still on there. All right, after everything's been cleaned up, like you see here, I think that's pretty good. Try to find all my areas. Might go over it one more time real lightly, but that looks pretty good. So then after that, what we want to do is we will chase out all the holes with a thread chaser. ARP makes those to clean up all the threads. And you want to blow them all out. You don't want any fluids or anything like that in those holes where they get compressed, and then that'll create problems on the road. So everything has to be ultra clean. It's like you're doing surgery on your vehicle. So clean out all the threads, and then you're good to go. And obviously you got to do the cylinder head side of that also, so don't forget that part. And then it's time to put on your new head gaskets. Don't use the old graphite style. Go to the MLS style, which the multi-layer steel. And that way, if you ever do this again, you won't have this exact problem where you have to clean up so much stuff. So, all right, now that is it.